The multiple testing trap. One test works great. 20,000 tests at once. Half your discoveries might be fake. Let's test an entire city. One patient. One test alpha equals 0.05. 5% false positive rate. Acceptable. If the test says positive, you're fairly confident. Now test 100,000 people in one day. The actual infection rate is 2%. 2,000 truly have COVID. 98,000 don't. Among the 98,000 healthy people, 5% get false positives. That's 4,900 false alarms among the 2,000 infected. At 90% power, 1,800 get caught. Total positive results, 6,700. But 4,900 of those are wrong. 73% of your positive results are false. That 73% is the false discovery rate. FDR among all your discoveries. All your positive test results. What fraction are false? Not the false positive rate. That's 5%. Still true. The FDR is different. It asks, of the people you flagged, how many are actually healthy? And when you test at scale, the answer is devastating. Now translate this to genomics. You're not testing 100,000 people. You're testing 20,000 genes. Each gene is a COVID test. You're asking, did this gene's expression change? At alpha equals 0.05, 1,000 genes will look significant by pure chance. Among all your hits, a huge fraction are noise. The Q value fixes this. It's the FDR adjusted p-value. A gene with a raw p-value of 0.001 might have a Q value of 0.03. After accounting for 20,000 simultaneous tests, the Q value answers, if I call everything with a signal at least this strong significant, what fraction of those calls will be wrong? It's the honest p-value in a mass testing world. And this is exactly what DESEQ2 does. The volcano plot you saw in the target discovery video. The y-axis isn't raw p-values. It's adjusted p-values. Q values. The horizontal cutoff line is the FDR threshold. Each dot is a gene. Each gene is a COVID test. Your genome is a city being tested all at once. Without FDR correction, your volcano plot is full of false discoveries. To recap, one test, 5% false positive rate is fine. 20,000 tests, 5% means 1,000 false hits. FDR measures the fraction of your discoveries that are false. Q value is the FDR adjusted p-value for each individual test. Always use adjusted p-values when testing thousands of hypotheses. And that completes the statistical foundations. 6 concepts. 1 test kit. 1 story. From null hypothesis to FDR. The machinery behind every gene list. Every volcano plot. And every claim in computational biology. If this series helped, hit like and subscribe. See you in the workflows.